Hey there, DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best home organization hacks, DIY projects, and budget-friendly solutions to transform your space. Today, we're tackling one of the most used and cluttered spaces in every home, the kitchen. Does your kitchen feel like a chaotic mess? Are you constantly searching for lids, spices, or that one missing measuring cup? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing the ultimate guide to organizing your kitchen on a budget. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to declutter and maximize storage space, DIY hacks for organizing kitchen cabinets, drawers, and countertops, budget-friendly storage solutions using dollar store items, and genius ways to keep everything accessible and tidy. Whether you have a tiny kitchen or a big one, this guide will help you create an organized, functional, and stress-free cooking space without breaking the bank. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. Hello everyone! Before we embark on this journey of tidying, we must first confront the clutter that dwells within our kitchens. Remember, we are not just organizing items, we are creating a space where joy and functionality can thrive. Now let's talk about decluttering. This is where the magic truly begins. I want you to hold each item in your kitchen, every utensil, every pot, every spice jar, and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go. A cluttered kitchen can weigh on our minds, making it difficult to relax and enjoy the simple pleasure of cooking. By letting go of what no longer serves us, we create space for what truly matters. This process might feel daunting at first, but trust me, the feeling of lightness you'll experience as you release unnecessary items is truly liberating. Visualize your ideal kitchen. Is it filled with only the essentials? Each item thoughtfully placed and appreciated? Now let's start with the pantry. Take everything out, and I mean everything. Wipe down the shelves and then one by one, hold each item and ask yourself that magical question. Does this spark joy? Expired spices? Half-eaten bags of chips? That jar of olives you opened months ago? It's time to say goodbye. Next, move on to your drawers and cabinets. Tackle each drawer individually, removing everything and only putting back the items that spark joy and are essential for your cooking needs. Now take a deep breath, trust your intuition, and let the decluttering begin. I promise you, your kitchen and your soul will thank you for it. Now that we've created a sense of calm by decluttering, we can begin the joyful task of organizing. Let's start with those cabinets. Often they become a chaotic jumble because we don't maximize the space. First, consider the vertical space. Could you add a shelf? Perhaps a tiered organizer for spices or cans? Remember, we want to see everything easily, so we're not rummaging and creating disorder. Next, think about functionality. Items you use daily, like your favorite coffee mugs or everyday plates, should be within easy reach. Lesser used items can be stored higher up or towards the back. Now let's talk about those pesky lids. They always seem to be in disarray, don't they? A simple solution is to use a lid organizer. You can find affordable ones at most home goods stores, or you can even repurpose a magazine rack. Just place it vertically in your cabinet and use it to store your lids upright. Another clever trick is to use clear storage containers. Not only do they make everything look more organized, but they also help you see what you have at a glance, preventing you from accidentally buying duplicates. You can find affordable clear containers at dollar stores or discount retailers. Don't forget about the back of the cabinet doors. This often overlooked space is perfect for storing things like pot lids, cutting boards, or even spices. You can easily add hooks or small shelves to the back of your cabinet doors to maximize this valuable storage space. Now, take a step back and admire your beautifully organized cabinets. Doesn't it feel good to open them up and see everything in its place? Ah, drawers. Those deceptively simple spaces that can quickly turn into a jumbled mess. But fear not, my friends, for we shall conquer the chaos with a few simple hacks. The key to organized drawers is compartmentalization. Think of it like creating tiny, tidy rooms within the drawer itself. Drawer dividers are our best friend here. You can find them at most home goods stores, but you can also repurpose things you already have. Old cereal boxes, for example, make excellent drawer dividers. Simply cut them down to size, wrap them in pretty paper or contact paper, and voila! You have custom-sized compartments for your cutlery, utensils, or even those pesky packets of sauce. Another clever hack is to use ice cube trays to organize small items like paper clips, rubber bands, or even jewelry. It's a great way to keep everything separated and easy to find. Don't forget about the vertical space within your drawers. You can use small boxes or baskets to store items upright, maximizing the space and making everything easier to see. This is especially helpful for things like tea bags, snacks, or even small kitchen tools. And speaking of small kitchen tools, they can be a real challenge to organize. A great solution is to use a utensil holder. You can find them in all shapes and sizes, so you're sure to find one that fits your drawer perfectly. Remember, the key to organized drawers is to think creatively, utilize dividers, and maximize vertical space. So roll up your sleeves, gather your supplies, and let's transform those chaotic drawers into havens of organization. Chapter 4. Keeping countertops clutter-free. Ah, the countertops, the heart of the kitchen where culinary magic happens. But too often, this space becomes a dumping ground for clutter mail, keys, groceries. Fear not, for we shall reclaim our countertops. Remember, a clear countertop equals a clear mind. When our countertops are cluttered, our minds feel cluttered too. Keep only the essentials out on display. Assess what truly needs to be on your countertop. Perhaps it's your beloved coffee maker, a beautiful plant, or a stylish utensil holder. Choose items that spark joy and serve a purpose. Create designated spaces for everyday items. A small tray can corral keys and sunglasses. A decorative bowl can hold fruit. Everything needs a home, even on the countertop. Now, let's talk about appliances. Do you need that bulky food processor out? Store it in a cabinet if not used daily. This can make your kitchen feel more spacious. And what about those pesky cords? They can quickly turn a tidy countertop into a tangled mess. A simple solution is to use cord organizers. You can find them at most hardware stores or use binder clips or bread bag ties. Imagine walking into your kitchen, greeted by sparkling, clean, clutter-free countertops. Doesn't it spark joy just thinking about it? So, let's make it a reality. Chapter 5. Fridge and freezer organization. Now let's open the doors to a space that often sends shivers down the spines of even the most organized among us, the refrigerator. But fear not, my friends, for even this chilly domain can become a haven of tidiness and joy. Just like any other space in our homes, the key to an organized fridge is to start with a clean slate. Empty everything out, yes, everything. Give those shelves a good wipe down, discarding any expired or unwanted items as you go. Remember, a clean fridge is a happy fridge. Now, let's talk about zones. Just like in our kitchens, designating zones within our fridges can help us maintain order and prevent food from getting lost in the back, never to be seen again. Consider having a zone for dairy, a zone for fruits and vegetables, a zone for leftovers, and so on. Clear storage containers are our best friend when it comes to fridge organization. They not only keep things visually appealing, but also help prevent spills and leaks, which can quickly turn our fridges into a sticky mess. Choose stackable containers to maximize space, and don't forget to label everything clearly. Don't forget about those pesky drawers. They're often neglected and become a jumbled mess of wilted herbs and forgotten cheeses. Use drawer dividers or small baskets to keep things organized and prevent items from getting lost in the back. Remember, an organized fridge and freezer not only make it easier to find what we're looking for, but also help reduce food waste. So let's give our fridges and freezers the love and attention they deserve. Chapter 6. Maintaining your organized kitchen. Congratulations, my friends! We've decluttered, organized, and transformed our kitchens into havens of peace and functionality. But our journey doesn't end here. Like a beautiful garden, our kitchens need regular upkeep to maintain their newfound order. Remember, tidying is not a one-time event, but a continuous practice. Just as we wouldn't expect our gardens to stay pristine without regular weeding and watering, we can't expect our kitchens to stay organized without a little effort. The key to maintaining an organized kitchen is to make tidying a part of our daily routine. Just a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. As you cook, put ingredients away as soon as you're finished with them. Wipe down counters and stovetops after each use. Load the dishwasher as you go, and empty it as soon as the cycle is done. Make it a family affair. Get everyone involved in putting things back in their designated spots. Teach your children the importance of tidying up after themselves and how good it feels to live in an organized space. And remember, it's okay if things don't always stay perfectly organized. The important thing is to have a system in place and to keep practicing the habits we've learned. When we make tidying a part of our daily lives, it becomes less of a chore and more of a mindful practice. And there you have it. the ultimate guide to organizing your kitchen on a budget. Today we covered decluttering tips to create more space, DIY cabinet and drawer hacks to maximize storage, budget-friendly solutions using dollar store items, and simple strategies to keep your kitchen organized long-term. Now tell me in the comments, which tip are you excited to try first? If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new home organization hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY adventure.